Welcome back to my channel, guys. Put a like, leave a comment, and make we get straight into the video. Alright, so last night I premiere a video with a guy calling and I say one woman come to Jamaica and she play a card, right, and trick them and choose a foreign woman he never attracted to her and blah blah blah. You know the story, we're gonna go check it out. Anyway, you know what I say? The lady reached out to me and the lady said nothing where I say I be a lie. She said she want clear the ear and she said she done with Jamaican man. She don't want no more. She tried with 2 and it's a failure. Alright, but when this guy come on here, he talk the story like him a paint the picture upon the woman like she's a bad person. But talking to this lady, me I gotta be honest, me not in a relationship like how I'm in a relationship with her, so I don't know how she operate when it come on to the side there. But talking to her personally, she sound like somebody with fair enough, kind, loving lady. And I think she get played and scammed by this guy when I interview yesterday. I'm just going to be honest with you. But anyway, guys, I want to be judge right. I could drive and listen. What's your side of the story? How you meet this man and what really happened?
Okay, so how I met him was one of my friends, knew I had just came out of another relationship, a 4-year relationship. So he called me and said he has someone in Jamaica that wants to talk to me. And I said, okay, give me his number. So I called and introduced myself. So I talked to Shamir for about a month, 2 months before I came to meet him. Mm-hmm. When I came down to Jamaica to meet him, he started, seemed to be very nice, seemed to be like he had his head on his shoulder. So the relationship started, right? I started to come down to Jamaica every 3 months to visit this man, right? And as me and him started the relationship, I asked him, like, what do you want, like, in life? You understand?
Right.
What's your plans? And he said he wants to finish the house, which when I met him, it was only a foundation there. Mm-hmm. So I said, okay, you know what? Let's do this. But before I start building, you understand, my name has to be put on the property. He took me down to housing. He put my name on the property. Mm-hmm. I brought my ID, my birth certificate, passport, Social Security card, all them things to the housing. And he put my name on the property. After he put my name on the property, I started to build. I decked the house twice.
Hold on. Is that 2-story house?
Right. So I decked the house twice. I decked it the first time for the lower part, and then I decked it again for the second part. Mm-hmm. You understand? 2 times I did the house. The house was built. Right. The whole time I'm still going back and forth. Mm-hmm. Every 3 months I come down. I stay 3 months in Jamaica. I stay 3 months in foreign. Mm-hmm. So how the relationship started to mash up is because I came down for my birthday. His birthday is a day before mine, and mine's a day after his, which is the 23rd and 24th. And I'm in the house and I hear him upstairs on the phone. So let me go upstairs to see what's going on. Mm-hmm. And he's on the phone with a woman. Now, mind you, I had questioned him about this woman before. Mm-hmm. And he told me, no, he just buy weed from the woman to sell. They don't have no relationship. Mm-hmm. He took me over to the woman's yard to introduce me to her so that I can see that there's nothing going on with them. Mm-hmm. The woman introduced me to her baby father at that time. And I said, okay. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's nothing going on. Mm-hmm. So this time when I call him on the phone with the girl, I hear him telling the girl he's going to give her money when he have another party. He's going to do this. He's going to do that. Mm-hmm. So I open up the door where he is. And I said to him, so wait, I'm taking care of you. And you're telling the next female that you're going to take care of her? So
Stephanie, I want to ask you something. Come here to ask you where my viewers them want to hear different from the other platform where you went on. Okay. All right, so you come and go like every 3 months you visit Jamaica, right? As what you say?
Yes.
So in between the time, then you send money. After your paper go up on the house, you start send money for him finish up the house.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, so you did have an intention. What was he doing for a job? Was he working like what?
No, he told me he's a party promoter. So meaning he'll promote people parties and they'll give him like something. Nothing that can really take care of anything, but they'll give him a little something for promoting their party. When they have the party, he'll go to the parties and he'll sell like weed, lollipops, peanuts, and stuff. Things like that.
Yeah. So you bring the house to the second floor and finish up and everything. You can go upstairs. So you furnish your house though? You furnish your house? Like buy stuff, put in it?
Yes. I furnished the house and I bought things from foreign. I sent barrels. I bought king-size bed. I bought a small fridge. Made the bathroom into like, the bathroom is made like glass. So like, you know the square glasses, the bricks?
Right.
Like that. So yes, I did.
Okay, so in your head you tell yourself, said, are your man this, are your husband this, to be, and yeah, build a future with this man.
No, what I put in my head is he told me, Stephanie, this house we're building is going to be for your grandchildren. So in my head, he said, this is a place for you and your grandchildren to come when y'all want to come to Jamaica. So in my head, I'm setting this up for my family and his, and him. And me, because my kids used to come down. My grandchildren used to come down to the house.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Right. So it was like a family thing. My kids used to come down and stay at the house. My grandchildren used to come down and stay at the house.
Okay. Wow.
Right. So when I'm building this house, I'm thinking that, okay, this is a place for my kids and us.
Yeah, once a vacation at Jamaica, everybody can chill right there.
Correct.
So. Okay. So I don't know, thing like say, yeah, take your money and my man at Jamaica and I build him house without. You're a very smart lady. You put your name on the title for any little thing.
Correct.
Okay. Smart move. All right. So he must say it upon he say, so you find the money then? He say it upon Section 8. So somebody on Section 8,
yeah. Right? Section 8, he has it that Section 8 is a government thing that takes care of people. Section 8 is not a government thing that takes care of people. Section 8 is true. The properties in New York City is very high, right? Section 8 pays 30% of it, and then you have to pay the rest yourself. You understand? So say if I get an apartment up here, and it's $5,000, right? Out of that $5,000 American money, Section 8 would pay maybe $2,000. The other $3,000, I got to come up and pay my rent.
Okay, so that's what Section 8 is.
Right, and how he said how I built the house, I work, but I work for myself. I do childcare.
Oh, so you're self-employed. Okay. Yeah, you hustle. Yeah, you work on the table. So, you know, I understand what I say. Okay. So I say you hustle your money and you send it back to Jamaica, build the house and everything. Okay, so there was a part in the video where he said that you make him turn his son in a scammer and all of them stuff there. So, I don't know what go on there.
That part is a lie. The son, me trying to have a relationship with Shamir and trying to have a relationship with his two sons that were in Jamaica, I used to bring things for them, phones, sneakers, everything. So, you know, I felt comfortable like these are my kids too. You understand? So the son told me he has someone in foreign that wants to send him some money, but he don't have Cash App. So can he use my Cash App card to send it? And then when I come to Jamaica, may bring it for him. So I said, you know, this is my son, no problem. I'm thinking that how I show him love, they're not trying to do anything to hurt me. You understand? So Miss said, okay, not a problem. I gave him my Cash App to give to his friend or family member, I thought it was. The person's son the money, right? Took off the money and gave it to the son, right? The second time, I said, wait, it was a different person, you understand? And the price of the money was a little higher. So I said, no, something doesn't seem to be right because why would these people be sending you money? So I started this pre and said, no, you know, maybe this is not something legit. So I'm going to stop it. You understand?
Okay.
I said, no, I can't do this. Right.
Come on, lie. The picture,
with the son.
Yeah, the picture where where I'm portraying that the story is like, you get the money and it you use for pay for the trip for you and your grandkids them to come here. So
let me correct that part real quick, right? Because I don't know who all watches your show. I don't know if they all American or if they all Jamaican.
Be American, watch my show. Be Americans, mostly.
Okay, I have 4 kids, right? And my 2 daughters are ACS workers. They make over $100,000 a year, right? My 2 big daughters, right? My other daughter is a nurse. My son is a construction worker in the union. They don't need him or me to sponsor their kids to come to Jamaica. So that part is he's a lie.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
My kids make enough money. My daughter, right? I have a daughter, my big daughter, right? Every time I travel to Jamaica, she travels to Jamaica too.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So if I can come every 3 months and my daughter follows me and she come, but she don't stay as long as me. She stay like a week or 2 weeks because of her job.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
How would she need somebody to pay for her daughter to come to Jamaica?
Mm-hmm. So based on how this man say, him say like you come and like you trick him and the next guy. Me so talk to you about the next guy. Me just want to talk about him first. And how he want to get you out in life and use this bad person and section 8 and you can't file for the other guy and one whole heap of something. So my platform open stories for people to talk, but there are always 2 sides to a story. So I say when me hear you, I say I make you come on the platform and share your part. You understand? So so you doing all of that now. Oh, you don't have a say in the house? Him just so basically him use it then for build the house.
Right. So with the part of me saying anything with the house, after his son robbed me and assaulted me, I was scared for my life.
The son assault you? Hold on. The son assault you?
Yes, the son when I found out about
his activities.
Shamir cheating with the girl. I told him the relationship is over, I'm done. And I called the airline and changed my ticket. Remember I tell you I stayed 3 months. So when I booked my ticket, it was for me to leave in January after Christmas. But true, when he assaulted me, we only stayed a week in Jamaica and then left November 9th. I changed my ticket. He knew I was leaving the next day. He called his son over, his son and 2 cousins, and they robbed me and they assaulted me inside the house while he sat in the chair. After
they said stepson where you're sorry for where you used to do the cash up thing for.
Right.
Oh.
He when he came in the house, he said to me, let me see your bank account. And I said, no, I'm not going to let you show you my bank account. This is the son. He said when I see him coming close to me, I'm going to pick up my iPad and move it. He said, if I want your iPad, we can take it. Someone said to him, Shaquan, don't get yourself in no trouble because iPads have trackers on them. Any Apple product have a tracker on it. He snatched the iPad from me, gave it to his cousin, and told them to run with it. Right? Someone went to try to get it. He threw me on the bed. Now he's trying to get my phone. They're wrestling with the son. He threw me on the dresser. When he threw me on the dresser, he tried to take the phone out of my hand. He got the phone out of my hand. They both ran out the door. They went straight to the taxi, grabbed a taxi, and we went straight to Central Village Police Station. We made a report. The police called Shamir to come in, and they said to him, if she's leaving tomorrow is her trip. If she don't get her things back today, we're going to lock you up. So he called the son right in the station while I was in there and the police was there. He called the son and told the son to bring back the things. And the son said, no, we're not bringing them back. So him and the son started to argue. Later on that night, the police come to lock Shamir up because I didn't get my things back. He decided to tell the police officer he's going to take them where the son lived. Me, him, and the police officer get in the car. We drive to a part in Spanish Town. I don't know what part of what parish, but it was in Spanish Town. We get to the house. It's like about 12 o'clock at night. I get in the house. The police officer called for the son named Shaquan to come out. Shaquan hear the police officer and jump out the window in his brief and run with the 2 objects, my 2 things. Shamir states to the police officer, why you didn't shoot him? If I had the gun, he wouldn't run. Right? I said to myself at that moment, this man is wicked. If this man could say he'd shoot his own son, imagine what he could do to me. The police officer dropped Shamir back off and told me, we don't think that you should stay at this house for your safety. They took me to a hotel and back road. They put me in a hotel. Well, I paid for it, but took me to the hotel and we stayed there until the morning for my ticket to leave. And I left.
Okay, wow. So this man, you help him build him house, plus you help him in child where you love and him turn around and rob you. Him and his friend. Wow. You must feel traumatized at that moment.
I feel very hurt. I feel very used, everything, because at the end of the day, I thought that this man was different. You understand? He put a good show. He put a good show on, like, oh yeah, this house is gonna be for us, and this house is gonna be for the grandkids. Whenever they want to come down, they have a place to stay. It's the only reason why I built the house in 1 year. Is how hard I was going to get this house done.
So how much money in total? How much money in total you think you spent on this house?
Oh Jesus. Me don't know. Remember, I decked 2 times. And decking the decking is the expensive part of the house.
Yeah, that's true.
Right. So, I did it twice, but for me to put a figure on
like if you take a wild guess, like, you know, you'd have a look a wild guess and say, you know, so I'm supposed to spend about, I mean, you say Jesus, like I say, a whole heap of money, man.
No, I'm trying to like think of, like, because remember, it's like, okay, we have to pay the decking twice, right? And then we have to pay the mason guy.
The workman then, right.
Yeah, and then we have to pay the workman. We have to buy the material.
Right.
We can't even, like...
You feel I spend over 100,000 US?
How much?
100,000?
I'm going to say very close to that, yes. Very close to that.
To my figure, and the size of the house, when I see did that show up on TikTok? It look like...
Yeah, and the gate. Don't forget about the gate. You see the gate in front of the house?
Oh, the gate. You do the gate too.
The whole concrete gate may build too.
Okay. Whoa.
The whole concrete gate may build.
So like how you named up on the title, what will come of that now? You just walk away from it?
At first, I did say I was going to walk away from my safety because I wasn't going to live up there no more because I'm scared the man would do something to me. So what I planned to do, I was going to walk away from it. Then someone said, don't walk away from it, sue him. So I have a lawyer that I'm working with right now. She's in Old Harbor.
Wow.
Right. That I'm trying to make him pay me for the house.
Oh, wow.
And if he can't pay me, then he sell the house. That's what I'm planning on doing right now.
Oh, so you're not giving up without a fight then, basically?
No, I'm not giving up without a fight. And plus this man, I'm doing discrimination charges against him too. Okay. I'm trying to sue him for that too.
Okay, so basically putting a name on the title was a way like for scam you for build the house then, basically, for sweet you up. Correct. And say, oh, yeah, man, I thought be for this guy. Okay.
Yeah.
May I say this on the behalf of every Jamaican man, and all I will stay so. You have some good man out here, and you have some very workless man out here where people feel you. So, me know want, people hear these stories and them, oh boy, Jamaican man, I'm afraid of them. That's why me know. You know what I mean? Boy, I don't know. And it's so sad, because first when I hear Shamir's story, I title the story like woman fly down and trick to Jamaican man, but it look like you look like you get tricked. Basically, instead that
trick to Jamaica to get what?
Yeah, oh my God, gee. Him say one time you take off your clothes and something could turn up, cause look that attractive.
Let me tell you, that part right there, he's a lie. This is when I start to pray that the man has to be gay or something, right?
Oh, when you say I'm swing both ways, like, basically?
Right. So this is when I start praying that, is because when I come down, remember I tell you I stay 3 months home, and then I come down and I stay 3 months. When I come into, after he picked me up from the airport and we come into the house, when we come back into the house, I see, you ain't see your husband, your
strip.
I'm going to say man at that time, in a long time. You're expecting for y'all to, like, enjoy each other. Right? I'm going to say that. And the man be like, oh, wait, my body got to warm up. Somebody say your body got to warm up. Somebody start praying like, wait, this man has to be like, a fish.
So how you describe your body? How you describe your body type? Can you say you're big and you use the word big and FAT?
Me not big and whatever. Me thick.
You're thick.
You understand, man? Right. I'm not saying my stomach is flat, but it ain't big. I weigh 220. I'm gonna say it like that.
220.
I weigh 220. Yeah.
Oh, okay, 220. Okay.
And I weighed that after 4 kids.
After 4 kids. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But in picture image you like say you was the bad person basically when me hear from the story. But
of course, because you know why he really is coming for me so hard because I left him, right, and after me leaving him in November, they met somebody else in February.
He said that while you was dating him, you look like you was dating the other guy.
No, that's a lie. I'm not a cheater. Me never cheated on Shamir, which I should have. But me never cheated upon Shamir. Me met the guy in January over the phone. I came down and seen the guy in February. When I told you I came down in February to get my iPad and things and go to Shamir party.
So where meet the guy? Where meet the next guy? Where meet the next guy? Him say you meet him on TikTok.
I did meet him on TikTok.
Oh, so you meet him on
TikTok, but we met him on TikTok.
You met him on TikTok. Okay, but you come like you love Jamaican man.
Well, that part, I love West Indian men. I don't say only Jamaican men.
Oh, you love West Indian man. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
And this are the thing now, cause in a film statement, you must say, oh, you're dep on video, eat sugar cane. And may I ask you this now? Him say dep on video, eat sugar cane. It is no time when your name in a bedroom, he ever eat you like...
You eat the buff? Yes, he eats the buff.
So him eat your buff, but yet still he's coming out and say that you eat cane. And I don't know what Jamaican man them always, this is it. Jamaican man them always come out and go, oh, my burn out them man that them eat the buff. Bad man they eat buff.
I know that for the longest, my kids are grown children, right? And my first baby father is a Jamaican, right? I think my 3 kids' father is a Jamaican. And they all say the same thing, like, oh, we don't do that. Once that door closed, you do everything.
All right. See, I spoke about that on my platform. Them are the biggest hypocrite. Me not do that. Me not eat. Burn out this, burn out that. Some of them even burn out booger man. See? And you check you out behind the scene. Enough of them undercover.
Yeah.
You understand?
Exactly.
But that kind of...
I don't know if he did it because he think to him, oh, if I do this, then she'll spend more money upon me. I don't think if he think that way.
Oh,
right?
Okay.
But he was doing it.
All right. So I'm glad that. So you're saying comments today make it sound like you is a bad person and you this and oh you hey.
Let me tell you, he went from your show is the last show. I don't know who he'll go to next, but last week he was on Miss Blinga. I don't know who you know who Miss Blinga is.
Oh yeah, on TikTok.
They call her the queen of TikTok. He was on her show in the box. So the same story he told you. I found out about it after. That's why I didn't come there. Oh, okay. So then he was on your show last night. Somebody told me. And then today he was on Top Lord. So you understand? Imagine running.
So when one do, so when you get from you and you want to bring you down basically.
Right, because he mad because I moved on and I look back.
So it's a jealousy thing. Jealousy thing, you say? Little bit jealous.
Right, because through his relationship that he cheated on me with, she did him dirty. So he mad that he thought that the grass was greener on the other side. And he come to find out she did the same thing to him.
Okay.
That he did to me.
Okay.
Remember I told you the girl was playing like, you understand, the weed girl, she'll play quiet.
So what I said, they said weed girl where you go to one and she denied. And she end up to be his woman.
Right.
Already rotted.
Started a relationship.
Oh. Can't believe when I watch a video and now press a like. Look on a little bit of like. Guys, want 3,000 like. I can continue listen. So your story with you say you mash up the mattress and all the things. Stuff for you buying at the house. Nothing go so?
Okay.
Be honest.
Right?
Be honest.
When I was leaving.
Be honest.
Right? I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I'll tell me I don't lie about anything, right? When I was leaving, right? So I was hurt, everything. I tried to mess up. Remember, I bought a king-size mattress for this man. King-size bed for this man. I can't carry the mattress with me. So what I did is I tried to cut up the mattress. But children was so thick, we can't cut it up. So I put a hole in the mattress, right? And we took sardines and poured them down in the hole. We took Campari and we poured it down in the hole. And then we made the bed up.
Oh, so you put it in there for it smell.
Right, because remember I couldn't get rid of the mattress. Remember this man just took me for everything. I just got robbed by his son. You understand? Even the TV, I tried to take the TV.
Yeah.
Which I did take the TV. The police took it down for me.
You say you get the police the TV and then get it back with the receipt.
Right. I was going to mash up the TV. Right. And the police officer said, no, don't mash up the TV. It was a 50-inch TV. The police officer said, give it to me and they'll hold it for you. And whenever you come back down, you can get it. Police, I said, okay.
Police want the TV himself, man. Police want the TV himself. Right? So when you get the TV,
right. So
the color.
I didn't care.
Inside the color turn up on it and everything looks sharp, like the man tune it. You know? So that thing
so I gave the police officer the TV. I told him he could take it. I said, you can take the TV. I mean, I was gonna take it down and throw it outside. Because remember, it was a law. I lost everything else already. So you understand? I didn't care about the TV.
Mm-hmm. So the other husband now, all right, enough about Shamir, because Shamir's story not add up. Shamir make it sound like you are a bad person. That's why if you listen to my video, I say, me nah bash the lady because I don't know her like that. When I just go off away and say.
So now with the husband, right? He's my husband.
The next Jamaican man, the one from TikTok now. So you left one Jamaican man do you bad. Because when me a blog, me like talk it truth, you know. Shamir do you so bad and you still find a next man on TikTok, fly down to Jamaica. For what reason now? Tell me.
No. Okay. So when I left Shamir, right, and said I was done with Jamaican relationships, I was done with overseas relationships, right? But you know, me being at that time heartbroken, right, because I just got out of a 3-year relationship with Shamir, the guy was like on TikTok, and he was in my inbox, and I was conversating with him. I conversated with him for a month before I came.
So why am I tell her, say? Why am I tell her before you come to Jamaica? Or in love you and like you?
Oh, no, me, I was telling him, like, I was telling things like what I just came from, you understand? I may not expect to go that way. And he was like, oh, yeah, you know, he wrong. He should have never did that. You know, saying things at that time that I wanted to hear.
Right. Whoa.
Right? So he was telling me he wrong for doing that. I'm not that type of person. I wouldn't do that. Right? So Miss said, okay, but I'm going to take this very slow. So when I came down in February, right, I came down for 2 reasons. I came to get my iPad and phone because the son said he's going to give it back because he was tired of the police running into his house. Right? So that was my reason of booking my ticket to come. Just in that same time, I met the husband. So I just said, you know what? I'm going to go see him at the same time.
One stone killed 2 birds.
Right, but I was only staying a week, and I booked an Airbnb in Portmore. So I wasn't staying with nobody. I was going to stay, you know, by myself with my daughter. So anyway, after I meet him, me and his relationship, it seemed to go good. Good. All right?
How old are you now, Stephanie? How old are you?
I'm 51.
51. Oh, you're not that old, man. Okay, so and the guy where you married him, how much? And look younger than Shamir. You look like him about 35.
Yeah, he is younger. He'll be 39 in a couple of weeks.
39 in a couple of weeks. Okay. And Shamir near 50. So Shamir was your 2 year old.
Shamir is 48. He keeps telling everybody he's 47, but he was born in 75. The man don't know how old he is.
Oh, in my 48. Okay. So this young guy now, you say he must say the right things.
Right, so me thinking like, okay, this is my first young guy relationship. So let's say, you know, I'm not 200% on it, but we're gonna try it.
Yeah, try it. Right.
Maybe he would appreciate me more than a guy that's closer to my age. You understand?
Right.
So this is what I was thinking at first. So anyway, me and the guy would start. I went home after I came down there February, stayed a week. I came home. The relationship was still going good. I came back May. I came back May or April. I came back to the guy this time. And me and his relationship still was going good. So he asked me when I came down, did I link up with Shamir? And Miss said to him, no. He asked me, did I go to a Shamir party? Miss said, no, which was a lie, though. I did go to a Shamir party because I was planning on mashing up Shamir party and reporting the party so the police could shut it down because of what he did to me. That's what my plan was to come down to. Right? So when the guy asked me, I told him no, but he somehow found Shamir, because Shamir got his number all on TikTok. So the guy found Shamir's number, and the guy called Shamir. And Shamir tell the guy, oh, yeah, when Stephanie came down in February, me and her was there. Me hook up on her, me F her in the bathroom, all these things, which was a lie. But true, my husband, before he wasn't my husband at this time, but true, he felt like what Shamir said was true. He started to try to disgrace me. So he started cursing me, all these things, and calling me all. And mind you, I'm home in my house now. I had came back to foreign. And he called me all these names, and he took some video. I remember when he lives in Jamaica, I live in foreign. So I would send him, personal videos of me, just so, like if he missed me or something, I'm going to say. You understand? He took these videos, or we made videos when I was there. He took these videos and he sent them to Shamir, thinking he don't know Shamir like I know Shamir.
So your husband, so the video when I get in on my phone, I get on video now. We don't want to talk about the video there too much, because I'm not there to talk about it. The video when sent to my phone, are your husband. So, hold on. So the second time you come and marry the young guy?
No, that's the second time.
Oh, so this happened before you married him?
Third or something.
Hold on, these things happened before you married him?
Right, all these things, this happened before I married him.
All right, so this guy now, before you married him, he sent a video with the animal of doing things in the bed to your ex-boyfriend. Okay, so what was he trying to prove? What you get from that?
He was trying, because Shamir told him, like in other words, I'm his woman. You understand? So this guy feels so to himself, like, if she's your woman, then how come I'm you understand?
Okay, so I saw him send the video to Shamir now.
So he sent the video, but he thinking Shamir going to keep the video just between them
two
and me.
Oh.
But what Shamir did, because Shamir is a body line person, Shamir took these videos
and share it all over,
Facebook,
I see it, yeah.
He post them on TikTok. He sent them to my kids. He sent them to my family. He sent them to my
out of
friends.
jealousy and like you want to get back at you, because he must say, right.
Because I didn't come back to him and I moved on to a younger guy. You understand?
Oh, okay. Feelings are carried
this is why he's still doing what he's doing right now, because he's mad because I moved on.
All right, so after that now, you and the guy correct back that, and so how the marriage thing come in now? I know the part.
Okay, so how the marriage thing come, we tell the guy, look, like, we're tired of coming back and forth to Jamaica. You understand? At this time, we're getting tired of coming back and forth to Jamaica. So I said to him, why don't we just get married so that way we can do the paperwork so you can come up to foreign. It was my idea, not the guy idea. It was my idea, right? And he said, yeah, we can do it. And I said, okay, and we did it. We got married. But it started off as love at first, the relationship. The relationship started off as, I'm going to say, not even a business, but something that we both agreed on. Get what I'm saying? And then after that, I just started to develop love for him. Okay. You understand? So then the love came, but at that time, Shamir was still going on with the videos. I came to Jamaica, and I came to press charges against Shamir. I went to cybercrime. First, I went to Central Village, and I made a report. They took my report, and then they told me to go to cybercrimes. I went to cybercrimes. When I get to cybercrimes, the lady, I told her I want to bring charges against that man. She said, show me the videos he posted. I showed her the videos, and she said, okay, how did he get these videos? And I told her that my husband sent it to him.
Right.
So she said, well, if your husband sent it to him, we can lock up Shamir, but we got to lock your husband up too.
Yeah, Shamir said that for true.
Right. So true that they were going to lock him up too is the reason I dropped the charges.
Okay. Now me understand the part there. You did explain that, but I'm glad to hear it from your mouth say that really happened. Okay.
Yeah.
So after that now you're back and forth, like, come visit your husband, and end up near saying get all also to you too.
No, I never built my husband no house. No, I learned my lesson. You started
in a house?
So, no, I didn't start no house. Where my husband stay at is a family yard. So he has like a room. You understand? And he has like a 11-year-old daughter that used to come over. So I said, why don't we build a room, an extra room, you understand, so that she can have this room and we can have a room over there the next room, right, like not a house, but a room. And it started the room, but man, it felt like, wait, this not going right for me, because he, instead of him, my husband, handling all the business, he put his mother to handle the business, and it felt like the mother was taking advantage of the situation. So I said, when I come to Jamaica, I handle my own business, so I stopped.
Oh, okay, that's
so the only thing there right now is just a square. Oh,
so the decking left up on it and thing.
No decking. You have to finish the bricks. You have to do.
You have to build it and carry it up to casting. Oh, me understand what I say. Okay.
It's just a brick. Just a square there right now.
Just a square. Okay. So when I do the blocking up, and I reach up the top where I put on the belt and thing where I go put up. Okay. All right. So the relationship with your husband, it's okay? You and him good?
No, I'm done with him.
So hold on, you're done with the husband too?
Yeah, because recently.
Wow.
Me and the husband, right, got into an argument again, and the husband decided to reach out to Shamir again, and these two idiots decide to go live on TikTok.
What you call them? Two what?
Two idiots.
Okay.
These two idiots decided to go live on TikTok, right? And they both went on live on TikTok, and they're both chatting me. One saying these things about me, the other one saying these things about me, and I said to myself, like, now I didn't watch it because I didn't want to.
You don't want to hear the things then what they must say. I make it hurt.
Correct, because I can't see. I got two ungrateful. I don't want to curse, but I have two ungrateful people that's coming from me. So I said, wait, you know what? Seemed like y'all wants to be together. So I didn't watch it that day. The next day they went live again. This time they went into the box. Right? And it came in a box, and it said, it was a girl there bashing me too. And me dealt with the girl first. And then it said, now we're going to come to y'all too. I said, why don't y'all, I said, Shamir, me and you done for 2 years. Why don't you leave me alone? You understand? I said, you move on, be happy, leave me alone. And then I said to my husband, I said, you're an idiot because you think Shamir is your friend. Shamir just using you to get information about me so Shamir can try to bury me. I said, at this point, I think both of y'all are biting man and y'all want to F each other.
So you just say them word out of vexation because you're vexed. You just say anything of vexation. Yeah, man.
Yeah, and I block both of them.
You block
I block Shamir, I block him.
All right, the argument. All right, hold on. Stop. The argument Shamir told me that he said that you married him through your on Section 8, you cannot file for him. So I want to ask that. You on Section 8, I listen, I have a lot of American viewers, so them will comment on this part. If a person is on Section 8, they cannot file for married and file for nobody. Is that true?
No, that's not true. Section 8 is a housing thing.
Yeah, you explain. No, man, you explain that, but I just want to make it clear again, because that was Shamir's argument.
Section 8 don't have nothing to do with bringing someone up to foreign. Shamir don't know what Section 8 is. Shamir just keep using the word Section 8.
Okay, I just want to make sure, because my viewers them is going to correct me and comment on that below.
Right.
Okay? So, all right, so you married him, basically, if you would get through with him filing then and get for come a foreign then, basically.
No, me didn't do none of that stuff yet.
Oh, you just married him?
Right.
Oh, so others the paperwork for push through. Okay. Me just want to make, okay, cause...
Remember, the marriage is still new.
Oh, when do you guys get married?
June 7th, so...
June 7th, that'll be 1 year?
Yeah.
Oh, 1 year.
June coming will be 1 year.
So you have a special time when I'm married for before you put in? I think you could have just married and put it in.
No, I think you have to be, in order to put in the paperwork, someone told me you have to be married like over 6 months to a year.
Yeah, but June will come with a make a year. June will come with a make 1 year. Okay, so
right.
Okay, so we're about 10 months now, basically. Okay. Okay. So you're done with the husband, so you got divorce him then?
That is my plan, yeah. Because I can't keep dealing with this side with the enemy. How can I trust you?
So we're going to finish your house now?
What house?
The house where
room?
Yeah, room where you start. Sorry, the room.
That stopped a long time ago.
Oh, that stopped long time ago.
That stopped long time ago. That stopped.
So you learn from
Because
all of
remember,
this.
once our plans changed for me coming to Jamaica so often, remember the plans was for me to bring him to foreign.
Mm-hmm.
So there was no reason for me to build no extra room, you understand, if you're planning to leave.
Mm-hmm.
So that stopped.
So, all right. So one more question. What you learn from all of this? You can't, you're willing to try your next Jamaican man? If you'd really...
No, man, I'm doing no more overseas relationships at all.
Okay.
I made that clear to myself, man. Not trying no more overseas relationship with nothing. Somebody called me and told me they live in another country.
Mm-hmm.
Me gotta move on. Me can't do it no more.
Okay. Well, so basically, that's a one person user then. Just Shamir user, the first one with the big house.
Shamir used me. Shamir's a user. Shamir used me.
Shamir user.
And I'm not taking up for my husband, right? Because he was dead stamped wrong, and he's gonna pay the price before him being wrong, right? But Shamir used him too, because Shamir confided in him like, oh yeah, y'all gonna team up together. You know what I'm saying? Got information from my husband to use against me, because now they don't speak no more. You understand? They had an argument where my husband came on the live. They said, because I didn't watch, someone called me and told me he came on the live and he started telling Shamir, you're the problem. You're the one that caused all of this. You're the one that caused my wife to leave and everything. And then people started bashing my husband, saying, you know, he wrong for what he did. And he became very emotional on the live. Yeah. And Shamir was laughing like he was doing just now. He recorded it and put it on his page. Shamir
look like he my troublemaker and he my problem maker.
Shamir is a troublemaker and he is a problem, and I can't wait for God to deal with him.
Okay. Well, you said it best. That's why I listen to the story. I'm glad I never come out of bash about. Based on the pattern, people talk some story, it sound like, yeah, foreign woman come and use Jamaican man, but it come like the other way around. Basically, when me hear your part, yeah, it's the other way around. You know what I mean?
Correct.
So this man used to forget him house and playing card, right? And then now him want to make your life all live in hell and all of them stuff. But boy, I don't know. The good have to suffer for you bad. The good have to suffer for you bad. That's all me have to say. The good have to suffer for you bad. Because you have real man out there, hard-working man where with that one little woman overseas for help them, take them out of the slump and make them life little easier. You know? But boy... I don't know if you say. But you get hurt the first time and you still take a chance again. So I don't know.
Right.
Sex, you love sex, man. You love sex. You love sex. You love Jamaican sex. That's why
No. Let me tell you again. Remember I tell you already, Shamir wasn't a sexual
No, not
person.
Shamir, man. The other one.
No, but I'm just saying
the husband.
It's not about...
Okay.
It's not about the sex. My husband don't have no problem, but it's not the sex that make me act the way it's the way the person is. You understand? Be a person that how can I say this? May have a kind heart. You understand? We don't judge someone by the way they live, the way they how can I say act or something like that. I'm gonna say maybe like to get to see the person and know the person myself. You understand?
So yeah, guys, that of your side, boy, may I tell you, I'm not lie. Right, Shamir, you paint the picture like so the woman is a bad person, but the woman help you a lot, man. Build house, give furnish you out, and she might have her ways them or whatever. You degrade her the most way. Boy, it is what it is, man. Boy, them things just make it bad for Jamaican, man. The woman them are foreign, boy. I don't know. And there's a lot more stories where we are going to continue for here. But as usual, guys, click on the like button, share with a friend, listen. That was Stephanie's side. And we move on and see what is what. Alright? Big up on yourself. I come live now. I'm gone. Oh, remember, forget on the merge. Alright? $50 for one shirt and $40 for one cap. I do shipping too. Alright? Big up on yourself. Boss, I'm gone.